up, guys? Welcome back. Sorry it's been a minute with getting videos out. It's been crazy. I got a video for you that's a little bit different, but I think some of you car guys might find it interesting. We're down here in Guatemala, but when we were down here in November, we were able to purchase a car, as well as this place. But I'm going to show you guys the car because that's what's a little bit interesting. This is what we got. It's and I know from first glance it looks like a boring generic Kia, and you're kind of right. It's a 2010 Kia Sorento, but what's interesting about it, it is a Korean imported, like from Korea, Korean domestic market. So what, KDM, I guess it would be. So that means it's a diesel. So we never got diesel Sorentos in the States that I'm aware of. And this one got some features that I don't think a lot of the ones from the States had. Interesting things about it being a Korean model. That's in Korean. There was a, let me get it back out here. There was a Korean, like, love ballads kind of CD in the CD player. All right, shut off. Oh. There you can see the dash. Well, once it comes back. Yep. The dash is all in Korean. Speedometer's in kilometers. The temp for the climate control, that's all in kilometers. The owner's manual was 100% in, did I say kilometers for that? Korean. Or, gee whiz, Celsius. Gosh. So I gotta figure out what, is 21 degrees Celsius a comfortable inside temperature? I don't know. It's got heated seats in the front, but the driver's seat is air conditioned. There's some more Korean for you. What I found interesting, the back row seat is also heated. Don't know if our models had that. What else? The mirrors fold in. It's got a button to fold the mirrors in when you park. This is all navigation controls. I looked it up. And I'm actually going to be replacing this radio for a couple reasons. One, that's in Korean. But secondly, let me actually show you. You start it up. Push button start. So when I put it in reverse, it's got a backup camera. That's not a problem with my camera. That's a problem with the backup camera. It is super blurry. And Guatemala is a super tight area to park and drive in. So not having a good backup camera, it's kind of stressful. Another thing too is it's hard to get around down here, especially for me. I'm obviously, just moving here. You use Waze a lot for GPS. Well, traffic is so crazy. I don't want to be looking down at my phone while I'm driving and looking at that small screen. So I bought a radio, like a flat screen or whatever, that I can hook my phone to. That way I can play the Waze through the dash. It's a bigger screen. I can just it's a better, glance at that than, trying to look at my phone and having it slide around while I'm driving. It was not something I was comfortable with doing. But take you on a quick walk around the car real quick. Again, nothing super special, but. So under the hood, we got a 2.2 liter common rail direct injected turbo diesel. Little turbocharger sitting back there. Oh, I'm missing the lid for my washer fluid. Just noticed that. Like I said, it's got 40,000 miles on it. It's in pretty good shape. Couple nicks and dents, but yeah, there's the backup camera that I need to replace. All the windows are tinted. That's a thing down here, including the front windshield. But yeah, here's the radio stuff. Yes, the radio is in a diaper. It was to protect it during shipping, but it's something I got off Amazon. Had decent reviews, and then bought the wiring kit and the trim kit for a Kia Sorento US model, so hopefully it all works. Yeah, it's got a third row of seats back there, one's folded down. Yeah, I'm gonna start working on getting this radio installed. Guys, thanks for watching, and I plan on getting more Guatemalan car content out, as well as when we're back stateside, getting more content out with the Hulk and the Falcon. But guys, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Drop any questions or comments down below. Thanks, bye.